Okay, so 3D effect, we're gonna have to go to effects, and then here we are going to write 3D, basic 3D. We grab and drop onto our video, and then here we can, with this, we can swivel, tilt as well, and then distance to image. We can also add this to our video, to our 3D video now. Now what I would add here, so it looks better, it looks these parts aren't just like looks black there, and we have this crop here. I'm gonna add offset and move this. So first we have the offset and then the basic 3D. You're not gonna move like this, you know, that's what we can do with this. We can also have some blend effects, and if we want, we can also here maybe we can add some color mattes if you want to, and then here we can pick a kind of like this color, maybe something that's close to our video. Then I can move this here. Now it looks better now. You can do a lot of stuff. So you can grab like this now and even more. And then what I will do is just zoom in even more. Something like this. And we can tilt even more. And now also add some of this light effect. Something like this. And now we don't have any animation. We can also add some animation. So here we can add, enable these keyframes, then move a couple of keyframes, and then just reset this. Then we have this. Now I know it's not really super edited, and but you can do much more. Like for instance, there's another effect that I like, and here that you could add is the lens. Sorry, this lens distortion, and then here we can create this effect that I think looks nice. Look, quite nice. So yeah, pretty simple, but I hope you found something in this helpful. You learned something. Thanks for watching. Help me reach 10 likes, and thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.